You give me an example name of animals. Animals that have wings and can fly. Mananap na naipako nga mulupad. Unsang animals ang naipako nga mulupad?
Butterfly.
Correct. Animals that have wings and can fly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm so sorry, Kuya, but you're out of the game. One down. Ate, an example name of animals that have wings and can fly.
Bird.
Bird is correct. Mananap na naipako nga mulupad.
Quack.
Asa?
Quack.
Sige.
Quack.
Asa?
Quack.
Wak-wak. Sige, very good. Wak-wak. Ikaw, mananap na naipako nga mulupad.
Chicken.
Very good.
Pati.
Pati. Very good. Animals nga naipako nga mulupad or animals that have wings and can fly. Again? Sheep. Ikaw.
Dog.
Dog. Mulupad din ang dog. Ano naipako?
Bird.
Tarot ko siga.
Bata kay mas slide ka na bata. Slippery.
Whisper.
Ha?
Whisper.
Whisper? Whisper. Nailanggam sa merida nga whisper na pangan?
Whisper with wings!
Whisper with wings! Alright, very good! Ikaw. Eagle, palakpakan na to. Alright, very good. So this time, sige, double time ka. Children, this time, third round. Give me an example name. Sige, name of a fish or pangalan sa isda. Bisag mo sa basta isda. Okay?
Wala, patay,
Ikaw
wala
kuya,
yun, kabaw.
bulit ka. Fish, ito ang isda.
Yes.
Okay, what is your favorite fish?
Isda.
Yes, kung sa'yo name sa isda, itong gusto mo
bata.
ano.
Fish.
O sa'yo name sa fish.
Isda.
Okay, ano nga kuya? Kung pakanunti kang isda kuya, o sa'yo mong gusto kanon ng isda.
Ayun bata.
Buwan.
Basta?
Buwan.
Buwan. Hindi, correct. Basta isda. Ikaw, what is your favorite fish?
Isda.
Again, example name, specific name of a fish.
Goldfish.
Goldfish is correct. Ikaw, what is your favorite fish? Yes. What is your favorite fish? Basta? Basta? Fish ball. Very good. Ikaw. What is your favorite fish? Correct. Very good. Ikaw, what is your favorite fish? Ha? Dili, kung paano tigang isda, o sa'yo mo gusto ka ng isda?
Isda. Lambaro.
Isda? Very good, lambaro. Ikaw, Brad, kung paano tigang isda, o sa'yo mo gusto ka ng isda?
Sardinas.
Isda?
Sardinas!
Very good! Correct! Sardinas! Isda na ako na. Ikaw, o sa'yo mo gusto ka ng isda?
Bangsakan.
Isda? Tambasakan, very good! Palakpakan na, alright? Sige, let's continue. Last 2 rounds na po, children. Okay, this time, medyo lisod-lisod na name.
Wala.
Okay, children, you give me an example name of a tree. Pangalan sa kahoy. So, example like this. Mango tree, apple tree, or coconut tree. Like that. Dapat kompleto, okay? Okay, una ko yan. What is your favorite tree? Yes.
North tree.
Nara tree is correct. How about you, baby girl? What is your favorite tree?
Coconut tree.
Again?
Coconut tree.
Very good. How about you, ate?
Kupas
Inday,
ka, Day.
what is your favorite tree?
Cat tree.
Diba? Ano ba ni anak? Anak ni anak ni. Badlong. Badlong nga yung mga anak ha? Yung ayagaw kayo. Danina, what is your favorite fish? Fishball. Mananap na ito kung mulapad, wak-wak. Unya karon, what is your favorite tree? Tree! Sige, ikaw, what is your favorite tree? Mango tree is correct.
Tan.
Very good. What is your favorite tree? Huh? Yes. Again?
Cotton candy.
Tree. Okay. Ikaw, what is your favorite tree?
Coconut.
Coconut. Very good. Ikaw, Brad, what is your favorite tree?
Christmas tree.
Very good. Ikaw.
Little tree.
Isa?
Little tree.
Little tree. Very good. Ikaw.
Bird tree.
Again.
Bird tree.
Very good. Bakbakan na ito. Alright. Alright, so guys. Okay. Guys. By the way, this time, last round ako. Fair game, walay pabor-pabor. This time, guys, I will choose the best answer or the perfect answer, okay? So last round, children, give me an example name of animals. Animals ta, okay? Or mananap. Animals na dili makalakaw, di makadagang, di kalupad, di kalamoy. You only give me an example name of animals that can crawl or mukamang. Okay? Kung sa in English sa mukamang, mukroll. Okay, ikaw kuya, kung saan animals na mukroll or mukamang? Kung saan animals na mukroll or mukamang? Mukroll, yes.
Cat.
Mukroll ang cat, wrong. Another one.
Dog.
Wrong again.
Worm.
Worm is correct.
Alligator.
Correct. Alligator is correct. Very good! Ikaw, what is animals ka ng mukroll o mukamang?
Crocodile.
Correct, crocodile.
Cat.
Cat, wrong. Brad, mananap na ka ng mukamang, di kalakaw, ka ng mukamang lang.
Snake.
Again?
Snake.
Very good! Ikaw, Brad, mananap ka, di kalakaw, di kadagal, di kalupad, di pun makalamoy, mukamang lang. Ito may mukamang.
Papa.
Ang akong pangunta na, mananap na mukamang. Ang gitubag sa bata, iya papa. Besate pang papa ani mukamang. Atong pangutanon o tinuod ba yun? Sige na doon. Kung pagkapod ka ha, para na kay premyo. Kung mukamang imong papa, usang orasa, bunta gabi.
Kabiin.
Wow!